So today our topic of discussion is relation or mapping. What is relation and what's mapping? Relation or mapping, that's are the same thing. So a relation A with the property that each element of X of A is related to exactly one element Y of B is said to be a mapping from A to B. So a relation A such that A to B is said to be a mapping where f is an function and from where to where, from A to B. That's like some element. These are the element from A and these are the element from B. So from here to here, the corresponding these values are coming from A. That's 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 belongs to A and these are coming from B. From where to where, this is called a mapping. So what is A and what is B? A is called A is called domain and B is called codomain. So this transform f of the value of A is, that's 1, that's equals to the value of A. This is the representation of a mapping with real time. So that's the value of A and that's the value of B. So how many types of relations are available? We can discuss right now. So mapping, we transfer it 4 category. What are them? First, 1-1 onto mapping. 1-1 1-1 onto mapping. 1-1 into mapping. Then many one onto many one into. So just example, 1 2 3 4. What is 1-1 onto mapping? If this is A and this is B, elements of A are, let A, B, C, D, and elements of B are X, Y, Z, U. So this is called 1-1. Why? Because one element of B connecting with one element of B. So this is mapping. That's it, such that A to B is 1-1 onto mapping. Yeah. 2. Here cannot have any element from in A cannot have any extra element and B can't have any extra element. Then we say that this is 1-1 onto mapping. Number 2, 1-1 into mapping. In similar A, B, C, D. So from here A to 1, B to Y, C to Z. Here can't have this element. If in codomain some extra element are staying, then we told that this is one type of 1-1 into mapping. Then now many 1-1, that's type 3. That's A, that's B. Now A, B, C, D, E, and that's X, Y. Many one, that's many one. In similar way, in domain, some element are connect with a codomain in single element. This is called here many, here one. That's many are going with one element. So this is many one. Here can't have any extra element. So this is many one on two map. That is many one on two. And what's the many one into map? This is many one. That's in domain, two elements are going in codomain in single element, but some extra element are added. So that's called many one into. So what in particular, many ones means some of element are connecting with one, that is many one, and one means all element are connected with single element. This is one. Okay, now we discuss about definition of into mapping. A mapping, if such that A to B is said to be an into mapping if A is a proper subset of B. If A is a proper, this is subset, not. If A is a proper subset of B. In this case, A maps into A to B. A map if it will be said to be an into map if A is a proper subset of B, and into our onto map definition. If condition is changed, this is proper subset of B. If A equals to B, then we say that this is an onto map. This change. Example, let if such that Z to Z defined by f of x equal to 2x for all x belongs to Z. This is an into mapping because if A is proper subset of B. Okay, if you think how is this possible, so if let x equals to 1 2 3, then fx equals to 2 4 6, and so f of A, that's our proper subset of B. No, f of A is a proper subset of B. This is into map, and give another example which is an onto map. Let f such that Z to Z defined by f of x equals to x plus 1 for all x belongs to Z. So this is an onto map.